How's it going? This is Bill from Envision Motorworks. I got a small project today I'm going to be doing a shop sign for outside the garage door. I'm going to get it designed out in Fusion 360, get it cut out. I got another project coming up probably next week if I can get the materials for it. I'm going to be doing a shop stool. Pretty cool design. So yeah, look forward to that. But yeah, we're going to get the sign cut out. We're going to do a border around it. Might do some paint on it. I don't know if we'll get that done today or maybe tomorrow. But yeah, let's get it cut out. Let's go. Get to it. All right, so I was able to get all the sign cut out. Everything came out pretty good. Did have a little bit of trouble at the end with the border, but restarted the program and it all worked out pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up casing this, doing kind of a frame out of a cedar, 2x6 cedar, and I'm going to cut some metal plates for each corner to kind of hold it together, kind of like timber frame type connectors. And I'm going to do some mounting plates. So I'm going to get those cut out on the plasma table and we'll be right back. All right. All right, so I got everything all cut out. These are going to be the angle brackets that are going to connect all the wood. The wood will actually be connected with regular screws, but these are just going to be kind of decoration. And then I made these mounting tabs that are going to connect to the wood that I'm going to be able to hang it outside the garage under the concrete with. So we'll get these all cleaned up, and then we'll get started on the frame for the sign itself. And then we'll have to get everything painted, see if I can find some paint, get it painted, get it all put together, and we'll get it hung up. All right, let's get to it. Everything cut out pretty good, so there's not a lot of slag or anything around, so it should be pretty easy cleanup. Just using a basic wire wheel cup disc. Should be all you need to get the stuff off. Now these mounting tabs, they're really easy to design in Fusion 360, and I mean, they just make your project look so much more professional. I mean, you can design them 100 different ways. And these plates, I don't know if you've ever tried pricing these plates out, but they use these a lot in like timber frame construction, like for gazebos and everything from gazebos to houses. But each one of these plates will run you about 30 bucks if you go buy them in the store. I mean, you can cut, I don't know how many out of a full sheet of like 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch, but you can get a lot out of them. A lot of money savings with these things. Really, if you end up needing more than a wire wheel to clean these off, it's probably because your settings ain't quite right. These are cleaning up awesome. Now, I've had some people wanting me to do a video on the Fusion 360 all the way through to the final part, and I'm probably going to do it on a set of these just because it's kind of simple to go through Fusion 360 and go through it pretty easily. But I need to make like 3 more of these for the outside of the garage door. I got it all trimmed in cedar board, so I'm going to do the same style out there. So I'll do a video on that pretty soon. Let's get the sign up. And I will tell you, since the last video, I did get the torch height controller from Langmuir, and I definitely, if you're gonna do signs, I would definitely get it. It's 400 bucks, but it's 400 bucks well worth it. It saves a lot of material. So yeah, I splurged and got that. Well, I think that should do it. All right, everything looks pretty good. Now I'll get started on the wood part of it. It should be pretty simple. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I was able to get everything all painted up. I got the whole border put all around it. Got it just kind of tacked in, screwed in right now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the corner pieces that I painted up. It's all just done in regular, just rattle can black. Should hold up pretty good. All the other stuff I've done has held up pretty good. It's in that Rust-Oleum hammered finish. It's pretty good. But yeah, we'll get the corner brackets, the mounting brackets. I'll probably get it all mounted up, and then I may end up coating this cedar with just some linseed oil or something like that. I may not even do it right now. I may end up doing it later. But yeah, all in all, it turned out pretty good. All right, let's get the rest of it. All right. So these are all the corner pieces. These are all painted. They're still drying a little bit, but they should be fine to go ahead and attach right now. Right now I'm just using drywall screws. I know they're gonna rust, but I'll swap them out later with something better. All right, that's pretty much it. Pretty much got it all put together. The only thing I got to do is tomorrow morning when I go out and hang it up outside, I just got to add the mounts to the back to where it's going to get drilled into the concrete. Other than that, everything turned out good. Like I said, I'll probably end up coating this cedar with some linseed oil or something. I can do it while the plates are on there. They're not going to hurt nothing. But yeah, other than that, everything turned out good. Yeah, really liking it. It should look real nice outside because I got the whole outside's got the cedar all around the trim too. So, all right, well that's it till next time.